Hey, so I just swam out to this island right behind me. I figured this would be a good time to make a video because maybe I'll be a little chilled and a little fatigued and I won't ramble on. Uh, my reason for being here, I'm a beach island resort. I invested in this property, this business really, about a year ago. Although I'd seen pictures, seen the profit loss statements, everything. I haven't been here. I found myself last week within about a day's drive of here, and I'm like, I'm going there for the weekend. So, yeah, so getting to enjoy it. It's a marina, RV park, campground. There's a Bubba's restaurant, boat launch. So although the business owns the land, it's really a business. And so if you've heard me talk about this stuff before, I really love Main Street over Wall Street. I don't think Wall Street is bad, but Main Street is better for a lot of reasons. And really, the core issue comes with the underlying principle that the board of directors of the stock that you own and the C-level staff, CEO, CFO, all those guys, they have a fiduciary responsibility to increase the stock price. So it's grow the business at all costs. That's the underlying drive of Wall Street. And there's some businesses that push back against that, but it's inherent. Again, it's a fiduciary responsibility to the shareholder. You have to drive up the price. So it's this buy, sell, grow mentality that doesn't fit well with my investment goals. And so I say, well, is there something where I can get into a business, hold it for 30 years? It's a nice, stable business. We manage it and maintain it well, and and just hold it for 30 years, and as the owners enjoy a portion of the profit, all the while taking good care of our employees, good care of the clients, etc. That is hard to find. So you can do that in real estate. There's a lot of the buy, grow, sell in real estate as well. There's a little bit of boat noise behind me. So there's that, but you can structure it with real estate rentals to, hey, buy a property, make some improvements, make it nice, manage it and maintain it well, and hold it for 30 years. Like, you can do that in real estate. You can do that in lending too. Maybe you have to roll though, but it's more, start a loan, collect interest, repeat. And so I did of those three categories: real estate, lending, and business ownership. Real estate's the easiest in private, Main Street instead of Wall Street. It's the easiest. So I started there, kind of fell into lending. Maybe there was some divine intervention, kind of opening some doors there, call it luck, whatever you want to call it. Kind of fell into that accidentally, but enjoyed it and did do well at it. And so for the last 5 years or so, I've been, okay, what about business? How do I own business privately? And if you read up on it and study it and follow other people and try to find the guru in this space, there's two main pathways. One, you work full-time in the business. I'm going to buy a business, and maybe I use all my own funds. Maybe I bring in investors, whatever, but I'm going to buy the business and I'm going to run it. And there's strategies, again, there's some buy, build, sell mentality there for sure. But you can run a good business for 30 years and enjoy the profits. Like, you can do that. But I'm not a good manager of people. Also, I have maybe too many other irons in the fire. So I didn't, that's a tough avenue where you're working full time in the business. The other avenue is all venture and angel. So, angel investing, venture capital. And so the goal there is you're investing in startups. So you're investing in a guy or gal that has a business plan, a great idea. Hey, I need some money to get this off the ground. And we're going to grow it and we're going to sell it. And the general approach there is I'm going to invest in 10 of them. 8 or 9 will fail. And it doesn't necessarily mean they all go bankrupt. Failure in that space is, well, we got it to profitability, but it's barely making any money, and it's kind of worth our initial capital if we were to sell it. That's failure in that space, because if you're going to have a majority of them go bankrupt, you need that one out of 10 or 1 out of 5 that you sell for 100 times what you put into it. And again, it's all a grow to sell mentality. So even if it is making profit, we don't go, oh good, we can sit back and hold this for 30 years and enjoy the profits now. No, we're going to bring on some mezzanine level debt and whatever and grow it to the next level so we can push it out to Wall Street and sell it to all of you for 25 times earnings or 50 times earnings, crazy multiples. And so, so that's why I like this one. This marina's been around for many years, and it was profitable when the management team bought it. I'm still passive. There's a management team. I don't lift a finger on this property. And but as the owner, I get to enjoy that profit stream. And although, we have some debt, there's some plans for growth, but it's really about managing and maintaining it well and enjoying the profits as we go. And granted, there is some built into this, like, well, we'll probably grow it and sell it to roll up to the next level. That's part of it. But at least in the short term, this aligns with my investment goals. So that's why I'm here. Beach Island Resort. It's a good time.